technology has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, it has made our lives faster, easier, and more connected than ever before. But behind this progress, there is another side that we often ignore. So the real question is technology making our lives better or more complicated? In this video, we'll explore both sides. Advantages of technology. Technology has brought many benefits to our daily lives. First, it saves time and increases productivity. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Second, it improves communication. We can connect with anyone, anywhere in the world, instantly. Third, it provides access to information. With just a few clicks, we can learn almost anything. Fourth, it creates new opportunities. People can work online, start businesses, and build careers in ways that were not possible before. Finally, technology improves healthcare, education, and many other important fields. Disadvantages of technology. However, technology also has its downsides. One major issue is overdependence. Many people rely too much on technology, which can reduce critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Another problem is reduced social interaction. People spend more time on screens and less time connecting in real life. There are also privacy concerns. Personal data can be exposed or misused. In addition, technology can lead to distractions and reduced focus, especially with social media. And finally, some jobs are being replaced by machines and automation. In the end, technology is not the problem. The real question is how we choose to use it. It can be a powerful tool for growth and success, or a source of distraction and dependency. The choice is ours. So use technology wisely, stay aware of its risks, and make it work for you, not against you.